Are you new to rebounding but unsure where to start? In this 10-minute mini trampoline workout, I'm going to share with you basic moves and alignment tools to get you started on your journey. If you're new here, I'm Emily. I'm a registered nurse that focuses on women's health, and I'm also a yoga instructor. I create videos here online to help you build balance, improve your mobility, and manage your stress in all seasons of life. If you would like to support my channel, please like, share, and subscribe so that other people can find me. All right, we're gonna get right into this workout today. Begin with the feet about hips width apart. Find some stability here. Bend the knees a little bit. Let's start with an angel breath. Inhale, sweep your arms high. On your exhale, release the hands down by the sides. Find a little softness in the knees. 2 more times. Inhale, send the arms up. Exhale, send it down. And one more time in, sweep the arms high, gather some positive energy here at the top. Exhale, release the hands down, and just take a moment to shake out the wrists. Give thanks for this moment and thanks for this breath. Let's get into the workout. So we're going to press the feet into the mat, find a little bounce here. We're gonna start with this basic bounce. So your heels might stay on the ground the whole time, or you might start to bring the feet off the earth, off the mat, and find your bounce. 10 minutes is not very long. Oh, I forgot to set my watch. It's going to be under mixed cardio if you're following along. If you don't have a smartwatch, it's all good. I will keep time for us. Just make it happen. Find your bounce. Bounce it out. Have some fun. You might notice my little trusty sidekick here in the corner. His name is Charlie. He is our rescue dog. Comes to all of my workouts. You've seen him before. Arms are kind of secondary. If you have a rebounder with a bar, the bar might be in front of you here for some added support. Check in with your breath. Take that talk test. Can you say a 5 to 6 word sentence without getting too winded? If you do get kind of winded, back out of it. Nice. And this is our basic bounce. If you ever get hung up on a move, just come back here. Let's go for another 5 seconds, and then we'll switch it up. Nice, 3, 2, 1, and then forward and back. So we're gonna bounce forward and back. Oh my gosh, these workouts are so much fun. Find that bend in the knees, and your bounce might be just an inch or 2, which is totally fine. Take this at your own pace. You only get stronger with change, right? So you keep up with this, stay consistent with your workouts. It's gonna get a lot easier for you. But challenge equals change, and change equals growth. Let's grow strong, healthy, at all ages, all seasons of life. Breathe into this. Nice job. Forward and back. We're here for 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Return to that basic bounce. Breathe. All right, let's switch it up again. So we're gonna do a modified jumping jack. It's out and in. Out, in. Find a rhythm. When you're ready, get those arms up. Nice job. Keep the knees bent. Belly draws in towards the spine. Soft bend in the hips here. So not quite upright all the way. Find a little bend, push the hips back. So proud of you. You're sticking with your wellness goals. You committed to 10 minutes today. Great job. Make it happen. Move your body in a healthy way every single day. That's my life motto. I hope it's yours as well. For 3, 2, 1. Basic bounce. Feet hips width apart. Bounce it out. All right, with the feet wide, so hips width apart, maybe a little bit wider. We're gonna do a little hip shift. So keep the torso, your shoulders are facing forward, and we're just gonna shift the hips. So shift, back and forth. Breathe. Keep breathing, keep that bounce. 1, Nice job. Again, if this is too much, return to the basic bounce. Keep moving. If you're moving, you're doing it right. And have fun. If you're having fun, you're doing it right. 10 more seconds in this move. We'll go back to that basic bounce. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bounce it out. Woo. Where are we on time? 4 minutes in. You got this. Make it happen. Bounce it out. With your breath. We'll take our scissors next. So one leg forward, one leg back, and then alternate forward and back. Again, that bar might be very supportive for you. If you're up for the challenge, no bar today. Arms are secondary. Go for the gold. I'm just gonna turn so you can see my feet. Nice job. Make it happen. Let's go for 10 more seconds. And then we'll go back to that bounce. 3, 2, 1. Basic bounce. Bounce it out. Knees are bent. Hips sink into the hips. Maybe a little forward fold. Let's take jack knives next. So it's like a jumping jack, only we're gonna cross our legs. Watch me, join me if you're like, no way. Just stick with this basic bounce. All good. Here we go. Cross, cross. If you want to get really fancy, maybe you cross opposite each time. Nice job. Once you get that rhythm, maybe get the arms out. Cross the arms as you cross the legs. All right, there we go. Nice. Challenge your body and your brain here. A little brain twister. That's what my grandma calls something like this. She's not tried rebounding yet, but I think I'm going to try to get her talked into it. If you're new here, I talk about my grandma quite a bit. My grandma is 86 years young. She works out with me at least 4 times a week. Plus she does my walking and yoga videos on the side. She is a powerhouse, as you are too. You know, we're halfway through this workout. You haven't shut it off. You're still here. You're making your wellness goals happen. Be that powerhouse. Be that shining star for somebody in your life, just like my grandma is for me. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to the basic bounce. Oh yeah. About 6.5 minutes in, well over halfway done with this workout. Check in with your breath. Maybe you take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Keep going. Okay, this next move, I'm gonna be high knees. For me, it's a challenge. If you're new here, you got your bar, go ahead and keep your bar. Hang on to your bar as you do this. I'm gonna find my rhythm. Watch me, join me when you're ready. Here we go. Knee up, knee up. Kind of like you're jogging in place. Really, really challenging your balance. Finding some instability in the feet. Go for the gold. We do want that instability. So we want to challenge our feet. It's going to build strength for the lower body, especially the ankles, the calf muscles, even the upper thighs, hamstrings, all the things. All the muscles are activated in the whole body right now, including the brain. Cardiovascular system is ramped up, revved up, ready to go. And those happy hormones, we are well over halfway through. Do you feel that happy surge flowing through you? I sure do. Crunch the core. Naturally, as your leg comes up, your belly button draws in. We just have that natural activation through that 360, the full core. Let's go for 10 more seconds. Not easy, but worth it, right? For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bounce it out. Keep that bend in the knees. Press down through the heels. I want to take a second to talk about my rebounder. I have this amazing rebounder from Can. It's a Can mini rebounder. Mine is the 48-inch one. It is wonderful. I've had rebounders in the past that were too short, too small, too squeaky. This one is perfect for me. I'm very reasonably priced. I got this one for under $150, and that's US. Keep breathing. What I like about it, it is super quiet. It's also very safe. Instead of the standard springs you would see on a typical trampoline, this one has bungee cords, which makes it very quiet. It's also rated for 550 pounds, so great for anybody interested in weight loss. This is a great workout for low impact. Whew. Nice job. Let's take those scissors. We're gonna finish it out right here. Scissor it out, forward and back. We are coming up on our 10 minutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Round of applause for you. Start to slow it down. Find some stillness here. Just give me a little bounce. Bounce it out. We don't want to skip this stretch. Keep the feet on the ground here. Whew. And slow that down. Nice job. Feet can be wide. Let's take a little stretch where we sit the hips back. So sink the hips back. Knees come behind the heels here. Lower down and lift up. Just a mini squat. Toes can be turned out at a 45. Nice. Catch that breath. I know I'm breathing heavy, sweating today, but I love it so much. So good for us. Here we are for 3, 2, and 1. Stay low. For 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Ooh, take an angel breath with me. We'll inhale, sweep your arms high, and exhale, lower down. Gently step off your rebounder and then just come to one side. From here, let's move into a forward fold. Plant your feet, hips sink back, bend your knees quite a bit. Hands can come to the top of your rebounder. And then thinking a down dog, maybe step the feet out a little bit wider, pedal out your feet, shift your hips side to side if that feels okay. Whew. For 3, 2, and 1. Belly button draws in. Go ahead and lift back up. We'll take a figure 4 stretch and then let's call it a day. So find a seat on your rebounder. We'll draw one knee into the chest and then cross it over the other thigh bone. Find your breath, maybe slow it all down. We'll take an inhale. Exhale to fold forward, soften over the leg. Feel that stretch in the outer hip area. Nice for that sciatic nerve and your piriformis muscle. Nice. Come out of there. We'll release the foot and take it to the other side. So hug the knee into the chest. Cross it over your leg. Inhale and exhale, fold down. Maybe shake the head yes and no. Allowing that heart rate to naturally come down. Finding that soft, gentle breath. Release that leg. Maybe march it out a little bit, let it go. My friend, I am so honored that you stuck around till the end. Great job. If you would like to connect a little bit deeper, please visit my website, emilydarby.com. Over there, grab your general stride guide. It's a beginner's guide to home walking, but home fitness in general. I share all kinds of tips and tools and strategies to help you as you get started on your wellness journey. If you ever have questions, leave me a comment below or connect with me on my website. New workouts come out at least once a week nowadays, so please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a workout, and I'll see you again very soon. Take good care. Bye-bye.